welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today we have with us a modern cruiser by Japanese manufacturer, the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Special thanks to Kawasaki Pune for providing us this bike for the review. You can visit their dealership for the best offers on Kawasaki products. And don't worry, because they are keeping your safety in mind and following all the guidelines issued by the government. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out great content from Rev Explorers. You can also go ahead and check out our Instagram page. The handle will be right over here. Go ahead, follow us there as well. Now let's begin with the review of Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a mid-weight modern cruiser which is powered by a 650cc engine, and it is BS6 compliant now. And in this transition, Kawasaki has not updated the cosmetics. It is still the same, just like the BS4, and hence in the front you have reverse triangle halogen headlamp with bulb turn indicators. Along with that are 41mm telescopic forks with a travel of 130mm. With that in the front is an 18-inch alloy wheel which has a Dunlop tire mounted on it of the section 120/70. It is a radial tire and you get a 300mm disc brake in the front with Nissin calipers. It has a dual channel ABS setup and you just get one brake in the front, which is actually sufficient because of the angle of the spoke. From the side profile, well, it does look like a modern styled cruiser and it is pretty long. It has a teardrop shaped tank with 14 liters capacity, and the fuel efficiency of this bike is somewhere around 22 kmpl because it is powered by a 649cc parallel twin DOHC engine, which is obviously fuel injected and is BS6 compliant. The engine is mated with a 6-speed gearbox. The maximum power delivered by this engine is 61 PS at 7000 RPM and the peak torque is 62 Newton meters at 6600 RPM. The figures are more than enough for this cruiser. The complete bike weighs 235 kgs and hence it comes in the mid-weight cruiser segment, and the ground clearance is 130mm because of the under-engine exhaust. The Vulcan S gets a split seat and the rider seat is very comfortable. It is wide enough for long rides. The pillion seat not so much, but then you have good big grab handles as well as a grab strap. To enhance your comfort on the Vulcan S, you get an offset lay down single shock absorber which gets preload adjustment and has a travel of 80mm. If you would have noticed, all the components on this bike are blacked out, and with that is a side hung single barrel exhaust which comes from under the engine and is a very short silencer. Let's check out how it sounds. At the rear is a Dunlop tire of the section 160/60. It is mounted on a 17-inch black coated alloy wheel, and with that you have a 250mm disc brake with Nissin calipers. Now this is a dual channel ABS setup and hence you get ABS assistance in the rear brake as well. At the tail end are LED tail lights with bulb turn indicators. Now let's quickly hop on to the saddle. As I have already said, the saddle is very comfortable. It is wide enough and the saddle height is 705mm. I am 5'9", I can easily get both of my feet on the ground, and if you are above 5 feet, you can easily ride this bike because it is a short rider friendly bike. Plus the seat, foot peg and the handlebar are 3-level adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your height. Now let's check out the instrument cluster. The instrument cluster is same from the previous generation Ninja 650. So you have an analog tachometer and then you have a digital meter over here which displays clock, gear position, your digital fuel gauge, then digital speedometer, then it has odometer and trip meters, and it does show you the average fuel efficiency with distance to empty. Now coming to the handlebar, they are very wide and raised handlebar. On the right hand side you have the kill switch and the cell start switch. With that you have adjustable brake lever, and coming to the left hand side you have the adjustable clutch lever with pass switch, headlight control, hazard light switch, turn indicator control and horn. It is a very loud single tone horn. The mirrors are also very stylish. They have rubber cladding and look very good, but they offer a big amount of blind spot because of this rubber cladding. And now it's time for us to take the Vulcan S on the city roads of Pune and see how it performs. And before you go on a ride, don't forget to wear your helmet and follow all road safety rules. it is a cruiser, well, the comfort is where it really shines. It is very comfortable. Big curved rider seat, wide raised handlebar and the front set foot pegs makes the ride quality really good. The seating posture is straight and there is no strain on your back or shoulder. However, I still feel that the pillion seat is slightly short as compared to the rider seat. This motorcycle also gets ergo fit, so the handlebar, foot pegs and levers can be adjusted according to the rider. So you can reach out to your nearest Kawasaki dealership and get it adjusted for yourself. The ride is really amazing. This is a cruiser, but it packs hell of sports in it. It is really a sports cruiser. In fact, it does end-to-end on the tacho really quickly and can go up to speeds which I don't think so you would have ever seen on a cruiser in this midweight segment. The acceleration is really quick and so is the pickup. The bike pulls really well in the mid-range and goes all the way up to 11,000 RPM, which is super quick and insane. Once you start to pull it, you can feel all the pressure on your gut. It's that quick. The only thing which would help attain better speed is a wind visor, because that will help reduce the air drag at such high speeds. It is a 650cc monster. The power and torque are almost equal, so when the power matches the torque, you have abundance of torque throughout the rev range. In fact, the roar from the silencer is also great, makes you go on and on. The way the Vulcan pulls is really amazing. The 6-speed unit is very easy and smooth to shift, especially with the relaxed posture. Although it doesn't get a toe shifter, which would have made things even better. For multiple upshifts, it might become a pain point for your ankle on long rides. The clutch is also on a lighter side, which makes it very easy to shift and operate under stop and go condition. The brakes do a phenomenal job. The Nissan calipers with the dual channel ABS are very capable of bringing this motorcycle to a halt in no time. It inspires confidence with its powerful bite and the progressive feedback. The ABS doesn't intrude unnecessarily and the braking is very efficient to bring this 200+ kg monster to a halt from triple digits. The suspensions are really amazing. They keep the comfort in check, especially the rear one. Because it is a laid down suspension, the rear shocks never carry directly to your back. In fact, it is spread evenly across the frame so that no impact is caused while you are having a relaxed ride. The center of gravity is very low on the Vulcan and hence it completely sticks to the road. In the straight stretches, it shoots like an arrow, and in the corners, it inspires so much confidence that you can scrape the foot pegs. The tire also provides superior grip, making it a fun sports cruiser. I really like the way how Kawasaki has put in a soul of a sports bike in a body of a cruiser. It is unbelievably the quickest sports cruiser in the midweight segment. The only thing missing on this bike are electronics, which I believe should be added in the coming iterations. But all in all, Vulcan S is an amazing cruiser. Our ride with the Vulcan S has come to an end, and I can say it is a very sweet cruiser. It goes really fast and it is short rider friendly. That is the big plus. However, I still miss the electronic aids that are offered on Ninja 650, and I feel that Vulcan S should also get it because the price tag on it is 6 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out great content from us. We are also present on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Go ahead and check out our pages. The handle will be right over here. And if you have any doubts or any queries, leave it in the comment section below or directly get in touch with us on our social media pages. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe, ride safe. Bye bye.